I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, sign in to Find My on your iPhone or iCloud and confirm the AirPods case is registered. This matters because Find My stores the last known location. Next, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone and use a bright flashlight to inspect seams and dark crevices. Once done, retrace the last 30 to 60 minutes of movement slowly, checking pockets, bags, couch cushions, and car seats, because most cases are misplaced nearby, not far away. Once you've completed the quick sweep, open Find My and inspect the devices list for the case's last seen time and map pin. This tells you where to concentrate your search. Then methodically grid the indicated area, divide it into zones and scan each zone in 1 to 2 minute sweeps, checking under objects and inside bags. If the case is dead, it won't play sound, so use Bluetooth scanning apps to detect nearby pairing signals and listen for faint mechanical clicks when manipulating cushions or clothing. Those subtle sounds can reveal. If the case still eludes you, check recent location clues like Apple Maps history, timestamps on photos, parking receipts, or car key fob logs to narrow down where you left it. Next, mark the case as lost in Find My and enable Notify when found. This will alert you if it comes online later. Finally, if recovery fails, consider replacement options. Buy a case-only replacement or contact Apple support for serial number help. And if nothing works, act quickly to disable payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.